Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get remote control dice in the Butter Bear Adventure event in Heartopia and explain exactly how it works. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, what is a remote control dice? A remote control dice is a special item that lets you choose exactly how many spaces you want to move on the board. Instead of rolling a random number, you can select the number you need and land on a specific space. And this is the the remote control dice, guys. This makes it one of the most useful items in the event because it helps you target valuable spaces and maximize your rewards. Now, how do you get remote control dice? One way is through event rewards as you progress through the Butter Bear adventure board, for example, here. And you can also get it for free through the daily reward in the exchange store. Simply open the exchange store and claim the free daily reward. I've already claimed the reward for today, so it doesn't appear here. And the reward is random, guys, so you won't always receive a remote control dice. Sometimes you will get cookies, sometimes you will get a double cookies buff, and sometimes you will get a remote control dice. Make sure to claim this free reward every day because it's an easy way to collect extra event items. And then, how does the remote control dice work? When you use it, guys, you can choose the exact number of spaces you want to move. For example, if a valuable reward space is 4 space ahead, you can select 4 and land directly on it. Let me use it, guys. I'm going to tap on that. And then I can choose the number of the dice. I'm going to choose 5, for example. So I will land on 5 space ahead like this. And because of this, it's best to save your remote control dice for important moments instead of using it immediately. Try to use it when you're close to a space that gives great rewards or helps you progress faster. With smart timing, a single remote control dice can be worth much more than a normal roll. And that's everything you need to know about the remote control dice in the Butter Bear Adventure event. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!